Congratulations! You have decided to put your home for sale, and you have to know the best recommendations to facilitate the transaction. Stay tuned until the end of this video. You want to sell your home as soon as possible or get the highest possible profit. Therefore, consider the following suggestions. Do all pending repairs. Clean your home thoroughly and remove all elements that are not essential. This way, your home will look more spacious. If your home is located in a common interest community, you will have to purchase the Homeowners Association package and demand to be delivered to the buyer. It's your responsibility to provide a free and clear title.
Therefore, if you are aware of pending property taxes, judgment, encumbrances, or defects on the title, please let us know in advance, and the title company will work diligently to have a successful closing. Please continue paying your mortgage, utilities, solar panel bills, and others in order to avoid damaging your FICO score. If you made payments of your home bills in advance, this will be prorated and you will be reimbursed at close of escrow. Once your home is clean and most repairs have been completed, we will provide you a complimentary staging session. This will guarantee that our professional pictures and videos, which are also free of charge for you, will be outstanding and we will get more showings. In our next video, we will talk about the terms of the purchase agreement. I will see you soon.